Hi everyone, welcome to Tichu's Magic Touch. Today we are going to prepare this delicious Maggi Chat. So here are the ingredients. First we have to take 1.5 packet of crushed Maggi noodles, 1 chopped onion, 1 tomato chopped, green chilies chopped 2 teaspoon, imli chutney 2 teaspoon, lemon juice as per the taste and some spices, salt, red chili powder, chaat masala and 1 sachet of Maggi masala. Now we have to add all the ingredients one by one. Mix well all the ingredients. Now garnish it with chopped coriander and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.